Hello student, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in last class we have discussed about the topic distance formula of chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Today I am going to start exercise 7.1 with question number 2. Question number 1 is solved in previous class. We know that in Cartesian plane, if given 2 points A and B whose coordinate is x1, y1 and x2, y2, then distance of AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us move to other topic. Question number 2 of exercise 7.1. Here given 2 points, find the distance between 2 points 0 and 36, 15. Let A 0 and B 36, 15 are two given points. Here x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 36 and y1 equal to 0 and y2 equal to 15. By distance formula, AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So x2 equal to 36 minus 0 square plus 15 minus 0 square is equal to 36 minus 0, 36 square plus 15 square is equal to under root 36 square 1296 plus 15 square 225 is equal to 6, 5, 11, 9 to 11, 1, 12, 2 to 4, 1, 5, 1. So under root 1521. So AB equal to under root 1521, that is 39. So distance of 2 points, hence distance of 2 points is 39. And can you now find the distance between two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. Dear students, in section 7.2 discuss about two towns whose 2 points A and B, that is two towns whose coordinate is 0 and 36, 15. So distance of two towns is also 39. So here the position of two towns A and B are given by 0 and 36, 15. given two terms, position of two terms A and B are given by 0, 0 and 36, 15. So the distance of both terms is 39 kilometer and calculated above. So distance of two towns is 39 kilometer. So dear students, your next question is next question 3 is determine if the point 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. Dear students, what is collinear points? 3 or more than 3 points lie on the same line. That is, sum of two sides is always greater than third side. And sum of two sides is equal to, suppose given 2 point AB and C, so AC plus CB, AC plus CB equal to AB. Then ABC are collinear. If ABC are given 3 points, so AC plus CB equal to AB. So you solve. Let A, B, C are 3 points. Let A, whose coordinate is 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C -2, -11 be the given points. So AB by distance formula, AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 2 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 5 square, is equal to 2 minus 1 1 square plus 3 minus 2 or 3 minus 5 minus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So AB equal to root 5, BC equal to under root x2 minus x1, that is -2 minus 2 square plus -11 minus 3 square is equal to -2 minus 2 minus 4 square plus minus 14 square is equal to 16 plus 14, 14 ja 196, that is 6, 6, 12, 9, 1, 10, 10, 1, 12, oh sorry, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12, 9, 1, 10, 10, 1, 11, 2, 12, and 2, 12 equal to, you factorize 4 into 53. 4 into 53 equal to 2 root 53. So BC equal to 2 root 53, and now AC, our CA equal to under root CA, C -2 minus 1 square plus -11 minus 5 square is equal to -3 square plus minus 16 square is equal to minus 3 square 9 minus 16 square 256, that is 265. So dear students, here we observe that we find that AB is not equal to BC plus CA. Our BC is not equal to AB plus AC. Our CA is not equal to AB plus BC. Hence, we say that A, B and C are not collinear. First we find given 3 points by distance formula. AB equal to root 5, BC equal to 2 root 53 and CA equal to 265. We observe that AB not equal to BC plus CA, BC not equal to AB plus AC and CA not equal to AB plus BC. So we say that A, B, C are not collinear. And next question is, dear friends, your question 4 is, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. We know that any two sides of a triangle are equal in length is known as isosceles triangle. So here given 3 points, let A 5 minus 2, B 6, 4 and C 7 minus 2 be given points. By distance formula, AB equal to under root x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 5 square plus 4 minus 2 square is equal to 6 minus 5 1 square plus 4 minus plus 2 4 or 2 6 square, that is 1 plus 36 is equal to 37 and BC equal to under root 7 minus 6 square plus minus 2 minus 4 square is equal to 1 square plus minus 6 square is equal to 1 plus 36 is equal to 37. So both lines are equal, that is here AB equal to BC. So we say that A, B, C and C are vertices of an isosceles triangle. So dear friends, your question 4 is finished and also today's class is over and your homework is do question number 1 to 4 of exercise 7.1. Thanks, have a nice day.